Recognising the impact deliberate grass fires have on our communities, Operation Glaw is a multi-agency task force supported by Welsh Government and the 3 fire and rescue services in Wales, and has been set up to combat deliberate grass and wildfires.
Hello, I'm Richie Vaughan Williams. I'm part of the Arson Reduction Team for Mid and West Wales Fire and Rescue Service.
Over the last 5 years, there have been over 13,000 grass fires across Wales, with over 10,000 of these being reported as deliberate.
The potential risks to the members of the public, the firefighters who tackle the blazes and those setting the fires can be massive.
If you see anyone deliberately setting fires, please call the police on 101 or Crime Stoppers anonymously on 0800 555 111.